Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. Who doesn't have or had a crush in their school days? We somehow always relate to the romance we see in the C dramas with our real life. But you know what? It really hurts when I am saying this that our first love, sometimes for whatever reason, don't end up the way we like it to be. Anyway, personally I am over this shit. So in this video, I will be counting down my top 15 Chinese school romance dramas of 2021 so far, which you could add to your bingo watch list if you still believe in love. I know you are eager to see your Prince Charming or your Senorita in case you are a boy. I just have an advice for you. Cherish the moment while you are still in love, cause it is going to be fucked anyways. At this point, I don't even know what I am talking about. As always, check the description box for more information. Just give this video a like and do comment below that which C-drama list you want to watch next. And now let's get to it. Number 15. My Deskmate. Fangirl Xiangxia lucks out when she becomes deskmates with her idol, the cold handsome Jinhan. When the fan starts to cause trouble, it ignites a story of full laughs. In this pure and beautiful youth, Jinhan begins to see Xiangxia's qualities. They move forward together to become idols to each other. Number 14. Perfect Formula for Love. It tells the story of mathematics student Ye Anan, who upon entering the university encounters and gets along with the spirit of mathematics, Shu Shui, and finally courageously chases love. Number 13. Nice to meet you. Shan Seng, a second year high school girl, transferred to Chengwang College for an unknown reason. She became the tablemate of the campus bully Mo Shen and lived under the same roof as her aunt and her aunt's stepson who really hated her. Shan Seng, who wanted to live quietly after achieving her goal, was pushed to the cusp of a storm due to ensuing accidents while getting along with Mo Shen and Yanmo, running counter to her original goal. In addition, the seemingly peaceful high school campus is not only surging with the youth hormones that have just begun, but also filled with the youth and ignorance to struggle with good and evil. When Shan Sheng's secret is discovered, where would she go? Number 12. Celestial Authority Academy. The story is set in the prosperous and peaceful Celestial dynasty. Celestial Authority Academy is built by the four imperial families who try to consolidate their family's position through it, and imperial families fight with one another to get a spot in it. A famous, talented, and well-loved writer, the Empress is one of his hardcore fan, enrolls in the academy in his own right and without taking the entrance exam. Unexpectedly, this good-looking gifted young man turns out to be a girl, and many men eventually fall for her. What follows is an insanely sweet, grandiose campus love story. Number 11. A River Runs Through It. A story that follows students who journey through life and share experiences in sadness and joy. It starts with a transfer student who makes a new set of friends at a new school. Xia Xiaozhu transferred right before the Gaoku examination. She then meets the compassionate Xing Lang, the straightforward Lu Shiyi, the offended Xu Liu Tao, and many others. Despite feeling flustered by her new environment and starting off meeting her new classmates over a misunderstanding, she tries to make the best out of it. With Gaokao fast approaching, the students make their own decisions that bring about a set of new challenges. Number 10. First Love Again. In the year 2019, eminent physicist Ye Yuning travels back to his hometown in China from abroad after many years to take care of his ailing grandfather. However, after a thunderstorm, he finds himself transported back to his school days as a student in the year 2006. He discovers that the secret of his time travel lies in the mobile phone of Xia Wenxi, his optimistic and sunny deskmate. As he attempts to go back to the original timeline by communicating with Xia Wenxi through the phone and manipulating events in the past, he gets to relive his life in various situations, goes through regrets, and gets to know the gravity of the choices he had made and the true worth of the people he met, including Xia Wenxi and his old classmates whom he had failed to cherish. Number 9. The Trick of Life and Love. When you happen to save the man that annoyed you the most and he wakes up with an amnesia, what kind of love-hate relationship will it bring? Domineering CEO Ning Meng has a reputation for being a professor from the hell. After a mysterious car accident, he is saved by Li Xian, a person that he hasn't seen in years. They were enemies. She was a witty student and now an all around secretary. So now the fun of the story begins. Number 8. Hello, my youth. This drama follows several first year students' lives as they experience both humorous and serious situations. Number 7. Remember my boy. High school classmates Zhang Yang and Zhao Jingmang are true polar opposites. While Zhang Yang is brash, a practical joker, often selfish and sometimes even confrontational, Zhao Jingman is naive and overly trusting. As they slowly get to know one another at school, Zhang Yang first begins to play tricks on Zhao Jingmang in his usual manner, fooling her into making an embarrassing announcement over the school Tannoy system. But little by little, they start to develop an attachment to one another and start to develop a mutual sense of respect. But could this one day lead to love? Meanwhile, classmates Sin Li Hua, Feng Wan He, Ling Shen, and more are also embarking on their own journeys of discovery. Number 6. Please, classmate. The story tells of two groups of youths who are at odds with one another, who must work together to merge the two factions together. Chaos arises when the leader of the northern faction, Ming Zheyu, and the leader of the southern faction, Yi Zhenghe, becomes classmates in the same class. Number 5. Flourish in time. Childhood friends Zhang Haiyu and Liu Miao grew up like brother and sister, always having each other's back. He helps her with the schoolwork and she protects him from being bullied for his disability. As Liu Miao enters high school and makes new friends, she gradually realizes that her feelings for Zhang Haiyu go beyond that of his siblings. She chases a rival, bring upon a strong sense of unease for Zhang Haiyu. Soon enough, the brother and sisterly love evolves into young love. Number 4. Don't disturb my study. 28-year-old Nan Xiangwan is an educationist who wakes up in her senior year of high school. She finds herself in the same class with a group of students who are all special students. Nan Xiangwan retraces her path of the entrance examination and gradually reversing one's prejudice in the process of sprinting toward her dream university. Number 3. Make My Heart Smile. The story of a group of young college students meeting, forming new friendships, and falling in love while maturing and realizing their youth dreams under the encouragement of each other's company. Number 2. Always Have, Always Will. Small town girl Fang Li and the stone-faced straight-A student Liu Yan relive their forgotten days from high school after reuniting in college, thus starting their journey of love that is filled with endless bickering. Fang Li and Liu Yan become classmates during their freshman year of high school. For Fang Li, Liu Yan's existence was a nightmare. 3 years later, they meet again as university students. Liu Yan no longer remembers Fang Li from that time, but the battle between the sunny girl and the proud devil had just begun. The two enemies experience the best times of youth together, recovering the beauty that was once lost and finding the path to their own dreams. Number 1. Unrequited Love. As childhood playmates, Liu Zi and Seng Hyunyan were nearly inseparable. Growing up, they attended the same schools and participated in the same activities. But as time passed, their friendship slowly faded. Through high school, Liu Zi focused more on her studies than anything else, and Hyunan became nothing more than a distant acquaintance. Yet secretly, her heart still longed for the boy who made her laugh all those years ago. Now in university, it is merely by coincidence that Liu Zi and Hyunan attend the same school. Though no longer a part of each other's life, Liu Zi can't seem to forget her long-lost friend. Every glimpse she catches of Huinan makes her heart races, but with their lives heading in such different directions, the connection between them seems to have but all disappeared. Pining for a boy she has loved for 15 years, Liu Zi is resigned to her fate, accepting the fact that her feelings for Huinan will remain unrequited forever. But destiny, it would seem, has other plans. Finding themselves unexpectedly thrown together during an excursion in Red Canyon Valley, Liu Zi and Hyunan's old friendship is rekindled and soon sparks of love begin to fly. But the meddling of others make things complicated and a series of misunderstandings threatens to ruin everything. Can these reunited friends overcome the challenges before them, or will their newfound love fade before it has even a chance to bloom? So that was it, guys. The video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.